children, let us have a look on a few more questions of profit and loss and discount, etc. Here it is written, a radio was marked 40% above the cost price and a discount of 30% was given on it, on its mark price. Find the gain percent or loss percent made by the shopkeeper. So let us take that, let the mark price be 40. Let the mark price be 100. So I am doing this now. Let the marked price be rupees 100. Let the cost price be rupees 100. Let the cost price be rupees 100. So the mark price will be how much? Mark price will be rupees 140. Now a discount of 30% was given. So the selling price will be what? Selling price, very simply we can take out. Selling price will be marked price minus discount. Isn't it, children? So SP will be how much? Let us see. Marked price is 140 minus discount will be 30%. So 30 by 100 of 140, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 140 minus 42 is equal to rupees 98. Oh God, why did I say fool? He bought it in rupees 100 and he is selling it in 98 rupees. So not good business. So he has a loss of how much? Loss of 2%, loss of 2 rupees, and that is 2% because the cost price over here is 100 rupees. So percentage loss is 2%. Let us see the next question now. Sometimes shopkeepers fool you. They will say, I am giving you a discount of 20% and 10% successive discount. So what does it actually mean? Let the mark price be rupees 100. Mark price be rupees 100. Be rupees 100. See here the discount appears to be 20 rupees plus 10 rupees, that is 30 rupees. But let us see. The mark price be rupees 100, then SP after first discount. SP after first discount. That will be how much? 20% of 100 will be what? Rupees 80. 20%. Now SP after second discount. SP after second discount. I'll write after second discount. So the successive discount means now the discount will be given by 10%. That means the next discount is on after the reduced price, on the reduced price. So now the reduced price is 80. So 10% of 80. 10% of 80. That is 8 rupees. So now selling price is 72. So what is the final discount? Discount, net discount I am writing, discount bracket net. That will be, the CP was 100 and you are selling it in 72 rupees. That means you are giving actually a discount of 28%. It appears to the, on first glance to the buyer as 30%. So this is done. Now let us go to some profit and loss question and have a look on what is there to be offered. Let us see. So here Srishti sells a cycle at 8% gain. Had she sold it for rupees 375 more, the gain would have been 14%. Find the cost price. There is a very fast method to do it. Let the CP be rupees X. Let the CP be rupees X. Then if it sells it at a gain of rupees 100 and at a gain of 8%, then SP will be when we get when we gain 8%, then SP will be what? 108% of X. And if we sell it with a gain of 14%, what will be the SP? SP when we are selling it for 14%, that will be 114% of X. So 114% of X is 375 rupees more than 108%, because that is the difference. If you would have sold it in 375 more, that means this plus 375 should be equal to this. So 114x by 100 is equal to 108x by 100 plus 375. So this goes this side, then it is minus 114 minus 8. So that is how much? 114 minus 8 is how much? 6x by 100 is equal to 375. So x is equal to 375. I'm writing it. Okay, so 3750 by 6. 6 6 is 36, 1 6 2 is 12, 3 6 5 is 30. So that means the price will be how much? Rupees 6250. So the CP will be how much? Rupees 6250 will be the CP. Did you understand? Let me put rupee, otherwise you will get angry. So now the next question. By selling a toy for rupees 648, Pranay loses 104. Pranay loses Pranay loses 4%. For how much should he sell it to gain 4%? By selling a toy for rupees 648, Pranay loses 4%. For how much should he sell it to gain 4%? That means, so let the CP be rupees X, then SP is equal to CP minus loss, isn't it? Because he is suffering a loss. So how much is this? SP is equal to CP. So CP is X minus 4% of X. That is equal to 100x, that is 96% of X is the SP. But SP is given. How much is the SP? 96% of X is equal to how much? 648. That means X is equal to 648 into 100 by 96. Do we have some calculation? Fast calculation can we do? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 8s are 8 1s are now 4 3s are 4 2s are 4 5s are okay. 3 into 27, 3 2s are 27. So X is equal to 27 into 25. Now how much is that? Let us try. X is equal to 27 into 25. So 27 into 7. Can you guess fast? Somebody calculate. So yeah, it is 175, and 25 to the 50 plus 17 is 675. So the SP is 675. Sorry, the CP is 675. X is the CP. Now he has to gain 4%. So how much is the cost as the selling price? The SP will be 675 plus 4% of 675. Let us see how do we reach. 4 2s are 4 5s are. Now this 675 we can get. How much is it? 27. Is it? So let us see. SP will be equal to 675, 7 5 12, 7 2 9 1 10. So SP will be rupees 702. So thank you.